Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I Love 164. Today we are going to do the unboxing of the two most hype models from 2025. Yes, they were released in 2025 and I received them in December last week. So I thought why not I should do the unboxing on the new year. Like in that way it would be like an year old. So this is your Porsche 911 GTR. This is quite pricey actually. On the other hand, I got this on the MRP somehow. So first one that came out was this. So we will open this up first. And let's put this on the side. We will open it after this Porsche. So when it came out, it was not very much hyped and somehow I missed it. Now I have to go through secondary market, which was through scalpers, and it was very pricey. It was like the 3 or 4 times of the original release price. But trust me guys, this is worth it. The bottom is very plain, the wheels are quite plain, but the car itself is amazing. Now let's put this on the turntable and have a closer look, right? Let's do that. So here's your Porsche GT3 R in this cool livery. So this dyno livery is all over this car and it looks so amazing. You can see the hands on the side, the feet coming out from the wheel on the back. See that Michelin logo on the wheels, the number 88 and 80 on it, the exhaust detailing on the back. We have all the logos even, and especially the cool feature, you see those headlights are like eyes and then there is nose and mouth they have created. This is not just a car, it's a piece of art that exists in real life. And on top of that, you can see on the top of this car you have dinosaur's tail. Wow, what a cool feature to have. And that tail is actually coming out from the spoiler itself. And also there is a roll cage inside because it's a racing car, so why not? Wow, every inch of detail. This is just a cool thing to have. And now let's move to the next one. So that was your Porsche number 80 from IMSA. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put everything back. You know, I always put them back like this. I always keep my boxes intact. Let's put this here. And now we are going to open this up. This is the pair, right? This is the pair, and we have received the news only on this week that soon the number 77 is also coming out. I think on the international level in Hong Kong it already dropped, so let's see when it's going to arrive in my country. We will see that, but before that let's open this up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to cut this blister from both sides and from here as well, and then I'll show you the car. Give me a moment guys, give me a moment. So it's already open now. See, that's how it opens. It totally opens so that I can flip this card without bending it, and then I pull it like this and like this. So let's put this here. Let's put this box on the side, and here's your Porsche box of number 80 GTR 3. What a cool color to have. I think I do not have any pink car other than the Lamborghini. It was also from, I think, IMSA. So here's the bottom. It's the same bottom, same casting. Wait a second. Yeah, it's the same bottom, same casting, just the color difference. And now let's put this one on the turntable and have a closer look. So this is the same car, but just the livery is different. Like livery, not livery exactly, it's the color which is different. Previous one was the green and this is pink. That's why I think the green one is called Rexy and this is called Roxy. I don't know who gave these names to these cars, but it looks cool on them, suits on them. So we see the details over are really cool, but there's one difference in this one and the number 77 coming out. I think it's the mirrors. Side mirrors are going to be red on that, and also the number 80 is going to change to 77 with the background of red. As I said, it's coming out soon. I'm very hyped about it because so far I have these two, and then I got the number 77 itself, the green one, and now I'm waiting for the pink to release. So let's see how it goes. So that was your Porsche 911 GTR number 80 from 2023 IMSA in pink. So to make the combo with these, I have the 77 one coming, and I have already ordered the skeleton one, and I already have the green one from 77, so I'm going to have 5 cars from these Porsches. But the coolest thing I got is this. Look at that. Isn't this cool? This looks cool, man. Let's place this here. And this also. Oh, I'm sorry for that. I dropped it. Give me a moment. Yeah, it's right here. Look at this. This is so cool. So cool. So, what a pair to have, right? Do let me know which one is your favorite, and do you have these two cars? And if you need the description about these two figurines, just comment. I'll let you know. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.